Well, it's a day when you have seen more cautiousness continuing in case of the commodities. The strength in US dollar, also the sentiment that the Fed tapering can start as early as December is something that is putting constant pressure on the prices. So take a look at the gold prices, which are trading at around 3-week lows. We did see prices at around 1261. So from those kind of levels, there is some bargain buying coming in. But the Indian prices have continued to decline. Even with rupee depreciation, there is some bearishness coming in for the prices. So nearly 1% down coming in for gold and silver there. Take a look at the energy space as well. The US weekly inventories are expected to show a rise today in the evening when the data comes out. That is putting pressure on prices. In the Indian markets as well, you have seen some pressure continuing, so more than 1% of a decline in this space as well. The base metal space, while has seen some pressure go on for that one as well. The strength in US dollar, the mixed data that you have seen coming out from China is something that's bothering this space as well. And there are declines continuing in the Indian markets too. Let's get in then Dharmesh Bhatia from Kotak with his strategies on all of these commodities today. Dharmesh, hi, welcome. Let's start with energy first. And what's your sense now coming in for crude prices? The kind of pressure that we have seen, do you see it continuing in the intraday market today?
After the sharp correction of breaking $1,300, price has actually taken a support at $1,250 and showing some bounce back. With rupee getting weaker, you can see the domestic market to show further firmness and continuously holding above the 30,000 mark. I would recommend to go long around 30,100, maintaining a stop loss of 29,900 and can hold long for a target of around 30,600 to 30,800 higher side. With rupee getting weaker, you can see the price to go further high. So buying on dips on MCX gold is advisable.
All right, Dharmesh, that's a strategy coming in for the gold prices. But in the agro commodities, how are you trading, especially in case of the edible oil space? Because that has been choppy, has seen strength in the recent days, especially with the rupee depreciation, because we tend to import a lot of refined soy oil. How are you looking at that impacting the prices?
Continuously for past 3 weeks, the price is showing firmness and holding about the major psychological support of 700 rupee in domestic market, and international is holding around 2,300 in KLC. I would recommend to go long. International is still firm and expected to be around 2,600 to 2,650, and domestic market with rupee getting weaker, you can expect the price to show further firmness. I would recommend to go long around 725 to 724, maintaining a stop loss of 721, and hold long for a target of around 735 to 740 on higher side. So buying on dips on NCDX refined soy oil is advisable.